So what I was telling is that basically this part will have the confusion. This particular thing, minus 1 by x infinity to r. Correct? Here we will have a confusion here. First of all, we should cancel this minus and minus, will become plus. And as I told you, what is my upper limit? Upper limit is this, lower limit is this. So in place of x, I am replacing with r and everything. So this is also plus. So 1 by what? R, upper limit minus 1 by lower limit. That's all. So my upper limit is what? R. 1 by infinity value is 0. So this is almost gone, 0. So that's the reason I already put this thing, q by r. Clear? So it's a very easy step to remember. There is no need for any big confusion. Clear? Only simple question is that suppose the limit is 0 to 2, correct? If the limit is 0 to 2 in place of these things, and if I'm getting 1 by x, correct, 0 to 2, if this is the question, in the sense what I will do with the limit, it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 0. In the sense, what is my 2 upper limit and this is my lower limit respectively. So similarly, instead of 2 and 0, we are having r and infinity. That's the basic difference here. So we'll be getting v is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon naught q by r here. Okay. So is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, you can put in the chat option. Or else any doubt is there, you can just message me in the chat option since I'm using a microphone. Rohan, yeah, perfect. Thumbs up. Good. So I'm just erasing everything. Whatever is in the red part. Any doubt? Let me see. Yeah. Doubt in anyone? Done. Okay, perfect. Clear. Okay, perfect. So coming to the next one is state the superposition principle of electric potential. Superposition in the sense mainly on one charge or one point, I am putting one more charge. On that particular thing, one more charge. That is superposition. Superposition in the sense piling it up. Okay, one on the top of the other. One on the top of the other. That is meant by superposition principle. In the sense, one charge is there, one more charge I will keep it. Q1 is there, Q2 I will keep it on top, Q3, Q4, and so on. You got the point. So that is mainly the meaning of superposition. In the sense, on one particular charge, I'm keeping or putting one more charge on the top. That's meant by this. So coming to the derivation of this, so we all know, very easy thing to remember, to relate. Okay, so the basic thing we have to know is what is the electric potential formula. V is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught q by r. This is our basic formula, correct? So due to charge q1, it will be what? Q by r1. Q by what is my distance? R1. Due to q2, distance is r2. q3, r3. So similarly qn, rn. So we have to do summation of q1 plus q2. We have to add everything, v1 plus v2 plus vn. So that is the thing, but my superposition principle, sigma. Sigma represents for what? Summation of all the charges, that is qi by ra respectively. That's all. This is something which is very easy for us to do it. Next thing is that derive a general expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole. So for this, we have to again recall what is our dipole. So dipole is basically what? I'll draw here. This is my plus q and this is my minus q. Correct? So two equal and opposite charges separated by a distance d or 2a or 2a. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a distance d or 2a is called what? Dipole moment. In the sense, p is equal to what? Q into 2a. This is basically our dipole. This is basically our dipole. So here we have to find what? In this particular, we have to find a general expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole. Okay, so here what I want to tell you is if you can see this graph clearly, what I had drawn here, same thing, minus q and plus q they had done, correct? At this point, correct, we have to know the electric potential caused by these two charges. That's it. So plus q and minus q, obviously this is a magnitude. One is positive and other is negative. Okay. And then we have to know the two compounds. Horizontal compound is cos theta, vertical compound is sin theta thing. So let me come to this. Electric potential due to minus q charge. It will be what? Minus q. That's all. In the sense, minus q by what? What is my distance from this particular point? This is AP. Correct? For plus q, it will be BP. That's all. So something which we can already know. So in the sense, electric potential formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r, basically. So here r is what? First thing, AP for minus q, because we are taking for the point P, and for B it is what? BP. That's all. And then what we have to know is, we can see some right triangles here, right? Correct, we can see some right triangles here. We will find cos theta and everything for that, because we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Do not get worried by me using this. These are all 10th standard things, whatever you learned. This is a very simple thing. We have to just find the electric potential due to electric dipole at the point P. That's the thing. So the resultant potential, in the sense, I'd add V1 plus V2, just like superposition we did, right? We add everything. I hope everyone understood what is this q by AP and q by BB. One is due to the positive and other is due to the negative. This is positive actually. In the book it is given negative. So we cannot blindly believe in the book also. So coming to this, I got 1 by BP. If I'm taking it common everything, I'm getting it 1 by BP minus 1 by AP. Now coming to our, I told you that we have to take some cos theta and everything. Correct? Now we can see here my AP, or else if I want to take cos theta from this, if it is cos theta from this, what is it basically? BP by OP. Suppose if it is a right angle triangle. Suppose if it is a right angle triangle. Okay. And this distance R is also there. So coming to this, since the diagram is, the page is small, I think it will be difficult for you guys to view it. But don't worry, once the class is over, I'll come and explain you that in person. So here we can clearly see that AP, or else AP is equal to R plus OA cos theta. So basically what they're trying to tell here is, this is my AP thing. Let me share it. This is my AP, correct? And I told you that we have to use what? The two compounds as well as maybe the Pythagoras theorem if it is required. Okay. So they're giving some, what is cos theta from this? If you're taking cos theta from this angle, what is it? Basically, cos theta. 90 degrees here. Basically, the 90 degrees here. This here. Correct? It is nothing but what? OA by, which is my hypotenuse if I'm taking the triangle AOM. If I'm taking triangle AOM, what is my hypotenuse? And what is cos theta from the triangle AOM? AOM, what is the cos theta from this? Basically, we are done for what? Triangle like this, right angle triangle, correct? But here it is coming at this point. Yes. So if it is cos theta, if this is the theta, this is my adjacent side. Yes. So it will be what? OM by what? OM by AM or OM by OA? That's what I wanted from you. So we can clearly see cos theta is equal to what? OM by, yes, already you have given. Yeah. OM by OA it is. I think most of you have given me the answers OM by OA. Good. I think, yeah, one friend has given me OM by AM. See, coming to the AM part here, see, theta is here, this particular part. See, if I'm taking the triangle here, for cos theta, for example, ABC is there. Cos theta is always what? My BC by AC I'll give. Correct? So here also the adjacent side is what? OA. Correct? And what is my hypotenuse? AM. It is not this particular thing. This is not the thing. Okay, so this we should not get confused. Clear? So what is my OM from this? OM is nothing but OA cos theta. OM is nothing but OA cos theta. Okay. Now, for example, I'm considering this point M, and if I'm considering this point as something called C. So what is my CM formula? What is my CM basically? It is CO plus OM. Correct? CO plus OM. If I'm considering the big line here, let me draw it and show you. This particular line, if I'm taking it out, this big line. Okay, what is it? CO plus OM respectively. Okay, so because we have to use this also in the coming thing now. So I have taken CO, but there again made it what? Equivalent to what? AP is PM and PO plus OM. AP is equal to PO plus OM. First of all, it's a mistake in this particular book. It is a mistake. AP is equal to what? PO plus OM. They're taken this point as P. PO plus OM is nothing but what? I have taken the CM here, no? So this is what I have taken instead of point P here, I have taken C. CM is nothing but CO plus OM. Correct? CO is nothing but what? CO plus OM. The same thing only they are trying to take it as what? Instead of taking this as they're taken AP here. AP is wrong. It should be actually PM. It should be actually PM. According to the book, it should PM. We can take any other point. I've taken a point C because it is A, B, and C. Correct? You can take any other thing here. So that's the thing which I would like to point out one error also here. That is this particular thing. AP is equal to PO plus OM. No, it should be PM. PM. PM only can be PO plus OM. Correct. PM is only PO plus OM. But OM already I know it is OA cos theta, which I have found out from the cos theta thing, the below thing. So coming to this, what is my PM? PM is nothing but PM is nothing but PO plus PM is nothing but PO plus OM. OM is what? OM is OA cos theta. What is my OA? OA is nothing but A. Again, for that, I have to show you the diagram. Then only will be clear. So one we can see as R here. We can see clearly the R. Correct. Here I'll write PM for further confusion. Okay. So PO plus OM. So OP is nothing but what? R. OM is nothing but OA cos theta. So I'm adding this R, that is up to this position plus this position. Correct. What is my OA? OA is nothing but distance A. It's clearly given here. OA is nothing but A cos theta. So R plus A cos theta is my first answer. So I hope everyone is clear with this. If you're not clear, I'll explain you one more time. This is not a difficult stuff to remember. I'll just erase everything. So to calculate the dipole moment here, correct? So I'll take the point P. So PM, this is my M. PM is equal to what? PO plus OM. PO distance is what? R. What is my OM? If I take cos theta, I'll get OA by cos theta is what? OA by OM I'll get. Correct? Yes or no? Or OM by OA? You have to tell me that at least. Everyone. OM by, let me 1 second. One second, guys. This is one mistake. Yeah, sorry. So coming to this, cos theta is not, yes, very good. It is OM by OA, very good. OM by OA, that is cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but what? OM, the adjacent side, correct? By OA, the hypotenuse, because I cannot have AM as the hypotenuse. So it is nothing but OM is equal to what? OA cos theta. And this OA is nothing but what? R, not R, A respectively. This is not R, A. So don't get confused. It's a very easy thing. This A is here, the distance. So R plus A cos theta. So that's what they're trying to tell in this. So one is R plus A cos theta. The other will be what? R minus A cos theta. Similarly, by using the procedure, you can find for the other triangle. Correct? Then I'll be substituting these equations where in this 1 by BP minus 1 by AP. AP, here it should not be the AP thing. They take it as PM here. Again there, but actually speaking, this AP is equal to PO plus OM. Better write PM here. Better you can write PM here. Then later on you can write this PM is similar or more of equal to AP. Then you can substitute since it is very close. Because you're taking for very, very small distances. Correct? Then what we do? We do the what? LCM of this. So that similar terms we can cancel it down. For example, minus R and plus R can get cancelled. And this will become 2A. The most important thing is what is Q into 2A? Dipole moment. So that's what I was explaining in the beginning. P is equal to Q into 2A. So instead of this 2A, we can substitute as what? Q into 2A as P I can substitute here. P cos theta by R square minus A square cos theta. Correct? And what will we do? In the special case, we will put theta value as 0. If theta value is 0, it will become what? R square minus A square respectively. We'll get Q by R square. If I put theta value as 90, this entire term will be gone. Or else the full thing will be gone. Cos 90 is what? 0. So those are the two special cases in this. Okay. So just to explain you this thing again. So these are the two special cases. So just to explain you this one. Derive a general expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole P. In the sense dipole plus Q and minus Q. Here minus Q and plus Q is there at a point P is there. Yes. So what I am actually doing is that I am extending it here up to this is what? R. My R, I am getting it here. Yes. And electric potential at the A is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by, this should be minus Q for A. This for at A. Minus Q by what? AP. Similarly for the plus Q, it should be plus Q by BP. correct? And they're telling that this PM and AP value, correct? PM and AP value is almost similar or almost same. So we will calculate for what is PM. PM is nothing but R plus OM, in the sense PO plus OM respectively, PO plus OM respectively, R plus OM. Then OM by using what? The right angle triangle property, correct? Yes, a trigonometric table, we will be finding what OA cos theta, OM is equal to OA cos theta. And what is this OA? OA is nothing but A respectively. So I am putting A cos theta. Similarly, we will find for BP, it will be R minus A cos theta. Then don't forget to add the two things, because potential at A and potential at B we have to add. Fine. Then we do the basic LCM and we'll get the answer respectively for this.